Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalinakshi Swami, welcoming you people. The third intraday trading strategy is range breakout strategy. So market undergoes through two phases, trend trading and range trading. So you need to identify the ranges. That is very profitable also. So to identify the ranges, first you have to identify on the daily time frame. And also you should know the key support and key resistance levels. And if there is a breakout or breakdown from the range, it should be supported by strong volume. And you have to confirm this breakout with the additional indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands. There are so many tools you can utilize and cross-check whether it is valid breakout. So you have to set your entry and stop loss orders. So entry, how you have to set, I am going to explain it on the chart. I am on the daily chart of State Bank of India. So I have identified these are the steps. First, identify the resistance level, and this was the support level. Why it was the support level? From here, the price has rallied from this level. That is the level of, if I place cursor, we are getting 552.5. So that was the level, and it came down to 553.8. This was the key support and resistance. And when it touched the high, you can see range. There is a range formation on the top peak. So how will you? So you have to mark the range. You can see the range clearly. How you can identify the range means one candle up, two candles down. One candle up, two candles down. That will rotation. So there will not be spread out of the price like this. Price will not be spread like this. It is not making higher highs. It is in the same range. Price is in the same range. So you will see one green candle, red candle, green candle, alternating with the green candle. So then you will immediately come to know it is a range. Here, what has happened here is a range. Here, it was a false breakout. False breakout. So if you would have jumped into the trade, you would have lost money. So you need to wait. Actually, it break out, it opened here and broke out to the top and closed inside. When it is closed inside the range, that is a weakness actually. So you have identified the resistance with the help of pivot formation. This is the pivot formation. If you use the indicator fractal, Williams fractal, you will get the pivot formation. It is pivoted. And then you mark the this range, total range. So I am marking the range. When there is a, so you have to identify, you have identified the range, you have identified the key resistance and support levels and decided this is at the peak. Probably you have to apply your logic. Probably breakdown can come from this region. So supporting this, there is moving average crossover. It will not happen in the live market because it is a lagging indicator. Why lagging means it has to derive from the indicators, has to derive from the price action. So the closing of this candle. Outside the range is a confirmation. Outside the range is a confirmation. So after falling, again it consolidated in a range, and after consolidation, breakdown happened. And I've taken the help of even the Bollinger Band also. So that some trading strategies can be done from upper Bollinger Band to lower Bollinger Band. So again, it fell and underwent through range consolidation, breakdown. And finally, what has happened over here is this has come to the lower end of the Bollinger Band, price coming out of the Bollinger Band, that is volatility. It indicates it is oversold. Oversold. Here you can see a bullish Harami candle forming on the reversal. It is indicating the reversal, and reversal is confirmed by the bullish, big bullish candle. So this candle, after this candle, if you see the price action over here, it has tried to engulf this big bearish candle and it has closed up. That is a bullish sign. After that, 2 days, it went underneath the consolidation. This consolidation is above the 2 short period moving averages. What are those 2 short period moving averages are 5 period and 9 period average, and the shorter period moving average is crossing over. That is a very bullish sign. And this consolidation has happened after the bullish candle formation, which has negated this negativity on this candle. So you have to apply the logic. Here you can anticipate for the breakout of the range. So what you have to do is you have to mark the range. This is the bullish range. Mark the range, and once price opens above this range, you can enter into a trade. These are the ways you can make profit in intraday trade. So scan for the stocks which are undergoing through ranges on the daily time frame, and look for the trend, prior trend which is happening, and identify the key resistance and support levels. Then look for the reversals, and you can look for the marking the high and low of the range and breakout of the range, and it should be supported with the volume. Okay, so you set your entry and stop loss. So stop loss should be the below the range candle. Suppose if you are taking trade on State Bank of India, your stop loss order will be around 569. This was 575. 69 means 4 rupees. That is 1%, now 0.9 percentage away from your stop loss will be there. So ride the trend as long as it is. See, after the range breakout, this is a very profitable strategy. If you start observing, selecting the stocks based on the ranges, based on the trends, if there is any stock, if it is undergoing to range, let us check whether there are any stocks over there. I'll put the watch list. If I put the watch list, let me remove everything so you understood. You can use these tools for your breakout trading. Say trend trading. Trend trading is just it will start making higher highs and higher highs. Prior to the trend, there will be a base formation. That is nothing but range. So whether the range is bullish range or bearish range, if you identify, you can take small swing trades for 3 to 4 days or big swing trade for many days. Okay, friends, I'll show you any stock if there is any range formation over here. For example, these are the bearish. They are showing some sort of correction. Let us go to emphasis. Emphasis I'll remove drawings. What is happening in the emphasis is the correction mode, right? It is correcting. Okay. It is correcting. It corrected range formation. I'll apply this. Range formation, range breakdown, and this candle, it has negated this range, gone above the range, and it is retracing back. Here it has retraced back. I think today, what is the date? 5th July. So because of the dividend payout, emphasis has corrected, price has adjusted to this level. It has gapped down and it has adjusted. So if you carefully see what is the structure is, you can look for the trade in this also. 1 minute just. So it is a retracement to this level range, and it may continue upside because it is a reversal from the bearish. It has shown price moving above the bearish range and it has retraced back to this level. So, and then hammer has formed on the daily chart. This is a bullish sign. This is a bullish signal which is seen. So tomorrow what you can do is you can select this stock and mark the high end of. This is a signal. If it is converted into a confirmation with a bullish candle, you can take trade, ride the trend to the next level. So it can go, it can make higher high, it can reach this target also, 1986. This is one. So you have identified the bearish range, and the bearish range has been negated by the trend and it has been retraced. And then what candle formation? Bullish candle formation, and price is sitting above the 20 period moving average. Price opened above the 20 period moving average and it is hugging near the, and it is on the upper level of the Bollinger Band. So you can anticipate for price breakout on emphasis. This is the way you can trade. Let us check whether SRF. See what is happening in SRF. Let me remove the drawings because I'm tracking. I track all these stocks. So key support is here on SRF because this was the major swing high. Support and resistance. So I am explaining. See, now it has negated the bullish range and it has come down. And it is coming down to the here before the trend happening over here, there was a range. So two ranges are there. It is near the range. There is no ranges. You can see bullish range, retest of the range. Now it has come down to this range. It may be, we have to see, this is the range breakout. See, ranges can also be formed like a channel also. See, let me show it to you. This is a channel range. Ranges in a diagonal fashion. This is a channel range. It is breakdown. So here also small range breakdown. Okay. So you can take the breakdown trade on SRF. It is continue. Now, if you see over here, whether it is coming to the support area. So like this, you can make your own judgment. And let me go to another stock, Biocon. Biocon is in a bullish way. See, bullish way. Let me remove the drawings. See, this is a bullish range. Okay, this is a bullish range. Prior to this, trend is up. So your judgment is correct. And key support and resistance areas are here. Okay. resistance areas are here, and it has popped up outside that. This breakout was a false breakout, and it consolidated, and real breakout has come with the volume here, and you can wait for the price to come and retest. It has to prove price action, it has to prove, and it is coming down with the lower volumes. So like this trade range breakout, you have identified the breakout, wait for the pullbacks. How much pullback? I've already explained it to you. If you take this fifth toll, it should not exceed beyond 0.5 to 0.6. If it comes to 0.5, that is 251 to 249, that is an healthy correction. If the trend is very strong, it may even turn around from 0.38 to correction. 0.38 to correction already today it has given around 256.45. So you can wait for the reversal. Like this, you can identify the ranges in the stocks, and you can trade for the what has happened in HDFC. Let us check. Let us check on the HDFC also. It is a range. Say range breakout. It was a huge range. Key support area was here and key resistance was here. So range here, it was a channel range. Channel range breakdown, consolidated, and it started above this range and see the breakout, and now it is a retest. The price action is perfect actually. So if you take the swing from the range, measure the swing from the range, it is 0.5%, 0.5 fib retracement, which is a healthy. Even if it comes to 2741, that is a good correction. So probably around this area, some reversal you can see on the, you can make little profit in this. Like this, you have to identify. Okay, why see, this is a range. Even a single dozy candle is a range. Let me go to the smaller time frame so that you will see the range in the smaller time frame. For an intraday trader, this is a range. Can you see there? This was the range established already on 10/15 Monday. This range actually it was established. So range you can see the weakness breakdown from the range. Now it is forming another range in the, you can see the range here. So this is the range. Actually, prior to this move, it was a trend move. Say prior to any trend move, there is a base building formation, range breakout. Now range breakdown, but it is within the swing, positive momentum. It is an intermediate correction which has given discount. So the another range is over here. It will act as a key support area. Suppose if it starts turning around from here, you can anticipate the move to, like this, you can anticipate the move, retracement back to, pullback back to this. So if the pullback is, for example, if the price pullbacks to only 0.5%, probably you can consider it may be in for more correction. So you can utilize, as an intraday trader, you can utilize this, and this pullback you can trade for that. That is 2794 to 2855, around okay, let me check. Around 1.8% on this stock. So suppose if it starts moving, this retracement is more than 0.78, like this is a hell. It may cross above this range, and it may engulf. So it can form the engulfing pattern going up to 3000 also. So this repeats actually. This is a deep discount in a bullish trend. See, it's a bullish trend continuing from there. So it's a healthy discount. You can trade for it. Okay, only price action will suggest, and you can identify some stocks on the daily time frame which are undergoing through consolidation. For example, if I see the stocks in undergoing through consolidation is another one stock which is under my radar is this is UPL. It is undergoing through range formation. 1 minute. Range formation since May month, May, June, July, 2 months it is under. The prior trend is down. This is the key resistance area and key supports are here for the UPL. And intermediate support you can see over here, which is here. It is undergoing through some range formation here. So when it starts breaking below, which starts break below this range, then you can anticipate the level. Suppose if it wants to break above this range, it may go up also. So range trading is very, very profitable if you can understand what will happen. In this range, the indicators are suggesting they are moving averages are going sideways. That is the thing which suggests that price is undergoing to range formation. Sometimes it may have false breakout like to this level. Already it has touched this level. You can see over here. Yeah, it has touched this level and it is maybe retesting probably. But the trend in this, if you see the trend in this range, it is coming down like this. It is coming down. It has to reverse like this. Suppose if it wants to go above this, it has to reverse. Price should come above the 685. Then range breakout you can see in this UPL because key support level is over here, or it can break down to the level of this key support area 612 also. So it is undergoing through consolidation. Probably it is waiting for its earnings. Like this, you can identify many stocks, concentrate on the ranges, and even single candle is a range. Single dozy candle, and multiple dozy candles, hammers, combination of hammers and gravestone dozy and dragonfly dozy, all in combination, they will also suggest something. And you have to see at what context you are seeing the range and decide for that. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.